Welcome to Ocean View Estate, proudly owned by P1N. When we say it's an estate directly facing the ocean, we meant no deceit. This is the ocean, this is Ocean View. The ocean and the estate. This is the stretch of road created by P1N. Right from Magfo Delta Road. This is, when we say we just created a road linking the ocean, we didn't mean to say what we have not done. This is the road and we're going to run through in a GV. So all this land, this is the P1N land. This is the ocean that we're just coming from. You can see the ocean surge. And from this road, inside like this, all these are the frontage of Ocean View Estate by P1N. So from this stretch down, the frontage is the breadth, obviously. This is the expanse of land that goes right. Now follow me. I will take you through a little journey. And like we said, we have started clearing. We started from the back so that we can open it up at the front of the ocean. But this is the road that we have created. This is it, straight to the ocean. And I'm going right in. Like I said, on my right side, this is the land. This is the stretch of the land. Goes down. I'm going straight down like this. It's quite a distance because it's quite a massive expanse of land. We have about 100 acres of land here. That means a total of 600 plus of land. Let me shorten the journey to save us some megabyte. I will connect at the frontage where the clearing has started.